In this today lecture, we will discuss the post correspondence problem and introduction to recursive function theory. So, what is the post correspondence problem? So, already we have checked some undecidable problem is there. So, we have to work on that. What is the post correspondence problem? So, this is a undecidable decision problem. We have already seen that there are some undecidable problem which is accepted by the halting problem Turing machines. If a Turing machine which create a problem in halting, that language is undecidable and that problem is belongs to undecidable problem. So, here post correspondence problem, it is a decision problem. So, we have to check it how this undecidable problem has a decision became a decision problem. So, here how to prove it? So, here given the following list, suppose we have some m and n empty strings over some input alphabet, we have given some input alphabet, here is the input alphabet is given. So, you can see here some input alphabet, here is the input alphabet. So, over input alphabet and list two list m and n are two list, this x1, x3, xn, these are strings and y1, y2, yn are these are strings, set of strings, one is belongs to m, another is belongs to n, two lists are given. And you remember this thing, all the list belongs to input alphabet given by the here. Suppose here is not given any input alphabet, here is just a definition we have written here. So, for input alphabet will be same for m and n, input alphabet will be same for m and n, it could not be different. So, input alphabet will be same. We can say that there is a post correspondence solution if some I1, I2, Ik where 1 less than equal to Ij less than equal to n, the condition. So, x I1, x Ik, y y1, y Ik satisfy. So, how to get this solution? It will be better we will see one numerical on this, then you see what is the meaning of this. You have to take a sequence from m string and take a same sequence from n string and find if both are equal, whatever x I1 to x Ik and y I1 to y k Ik, if both part are equal, then there is a solution, otherwise there is no solutions. So, we will go to the problem, see carefully, we have what we have written. We have taken a m list and m list means that all x1, x2, x3, xn are strings, and another is n list, here all y1, y2, y3, yn are strings. So, we have to take a sequence and then whatever sequence from take from m and same number sequence you have to take from n. So, on that case you have to take two, we will find here two long string, combining all the small string we will get two long string, one from x, another from y, and if both are equal, then there is a solution, otherwise no solution. Let us come on numerical. Here it is given m, n, m and n, two string is given, two list is given. So, you can say this is a x1, this is m is, here m is, you can say this is, you can say x1, x2 and x3, and here n is given x y1, y2, y3. So, you can say x1 is a b a. So, x2 is a, x3 is triple a. Similarly, y1 is b b a, y1 is b b a, and y2 is A and y3 is 2a. So, you have to check it, either we will find a solution or not, we will find a solution or not, we have to check it. Suppose we take a sequence 3 1 2, is it is equal, we will check it now. Suppose take a sequence 3 1 2, take a sequence 3 1 2, means you take the x3, then after x1, then after x2, then check this is a y, sorry, this is y3, this is y3, then you have to take here y3, then y1, then y2. So, if you take this part x part and y part, if both are equal, then there is a solution. You have to check like that, all possible cases you have to check, is there any solution or not. So, now you check it, suppose x3 is what is the x3? X3 is triple A, clear, this is a triple A, and x1 is, what is x1? X1 is A B A. What is the x2? X2 is 2a. So, now you have y3, what is y3? A. Then this is 5a, y2. Oh, so no, this is after that, after y3 you have to take here, after y3 we have to take here y1. So, y1 is a BBA, y1 is a BBA and y2 is a. So, now you check it, is it equal, same string, are you getting both are same string? No. So, this is a not a solution. So, you have to check all the another option. So, this is not a solution, this is not a solution, not a solution. So, not a solution, this this sequence did not give a solution. So, now we have to take another sequence, let us take another sequence, what would be there. So, we will take another sequence, let us take 1 2 2 1 3. So, we can take another sequence here, for this you can take 2 1 3. So, x2, x1 and x3, and this is y2, y2, y1, y3. So, now you check it, what is the x2? X2 is double A and x1 is ABA, x1 is ABA. What is x3? X3 is a triple A. Now, y2, what is y2? Y2 is a triple A. What is y1? Y1 is a BBA. So, what is y3? Y3 is a double A. So, now see, there is a solution because these two are equal. Now, you see, these two are equal string you got. So, now it is a solution, it is a, there is a solution of this post correspondence problem. So, now you see what is the concept here. You have given m, whatever decidable undecidable problem, we have given m list and another is n list is given, and from there you have to take same input alphabet. You see here input alphabet is same, we have taken here input alphabet is A B in both cases, m and n. In both cases we have taken here m n. So, here m is x1, x2, x3, n is y1, y2, y3. So, x1 is ABA, x2 is A, x3 is A, y1 is a BB, y2 is A, y3 is A. So, we have written here x3, x1, x2, and you have seen that x1 may be repeated. You can see this type of sequence, means you are allowed to a sequence like this 3 1 1 2, you can take 2 times of 1, then no problem. But y also you have to same thing, this sequence you have to take in x also in y, both side you have to take 3 1 1 2. You can repeat the number, you can repeat the number because it is written in definition. You see I j less than equal to n the condition, so you can repeat it, you can repeat the number, no problem. X1 will be repeated 2 times, and also if x1 repeated 2 times, so y you have to repeat it 2 times, like that you can choose, you can choose. So here we have taken here a solution 3 1 2 1 as a sequence, but when we will find the string these are unequal, so that is why not a solution. But this is a solution because it is we find a equal, find an equal solution, both side is equal. So this is a, this problem post correspondence problem has a solution, this post correspondence problem has a solution. So on that ways you can check it, the post which undecidable problem, here is the what it is written, undecided decision problem. This is a undecided, if you find some solution then this is a undecided problem, but decision, undecidable decision problem. So this is a numerical. Now we go to the another numerical, see this one. The post correspondence problem, find whether the list M A B A B A B B B A and N is A B A B A B A B. So you can say here M, here input alphabet is A comma B, and M suppose we will take as a M as a x1 x2 x3. So here you can say x1 is A A B, then x2 is B A B, and x3 is B B A A. So n is y1 y2 y3, y1 y2 y3, x is this is y1 y2 y3, y1 y2 y3. So now y is A, this is A, sorry, y1 is A, then y2 is B A, y1 is A, y2 is B A, y3 is B A B, B A B. So here it is given y1 y2 y3. So could we find a solution? Is there any solution to this undecidable problem? Undecidable problem is decidable. Could we check it? Decision problem means we have to prove, check it, this undecidable problem have a decision or not. If you find a sequence and you make it equal x n and n part, then you have to there is a decision problem. So is there any sequence to check? Is there any sequence to check? You see this problem, this one, this is y3 and this is B B A, B B A, sorry, B B A A, this is B B A. So is there any solution? Is there any solution? x1 x2 x3, you will take this sequence, is there any solution? So I think it will be, won't be a solution. If you check anyways, there will be no solution. I think you check it. Suppose we will take here, take a sequence 1 1 2 and this is 3 1 2 3 1 2. So now x1 is x3, then x1, then x2, then another part is y3 and this is y1 and this is y2. Suppose we have taken here 3 1 2, or you can take any example, any sequence you can take. So, x3 is, what is x3? x3 is BBA, BBAA. What is x1? x1 is AB, and what is the x1 is AB. What is x2? x2 is BAB, BAB, and equal to y3. What is y3? y3 is BAB, and y2 is BA. Oh, sorry, y1 is A, y1 is A only. So, this is y1, y1 is A only, this is y1 A only. Then after y2, y2 is BA. Is it equal? So, no, it is not equal. So, there will be here is the no solution. So, you can take any sequence, I think you will not find a solution. If you look over this problem, why will not find a solution? Why this PCB has not a decision decision? So, why it is not? Because of length, because of length. You see here it is 2, 3, 5, and see the length. Because of length, both length are here, length you will check the length, length is different. That is why it is not a have a decision. Here AB 2 and BAB 3 and 2, 3, 5, then after this is 5, 10, and N is 1, 2, 3, 3, 6. So, this is one list is 10 length, another list is 6 length. So, here you see in the previous example, what was there? Previous example, see the length. What is the M? M length is 3, 2, 5, 3, 8, and N length is 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8. So, length are, this is very important part is length. So, lengths are equal. You see this problem here, lengths are equal. That is why anyways we will find a solution, find a solution. So, that is why in this problem we do not have any solution, we do not have any solution. If you check that, I think there is no solution because of length only, because of length only. This is 10 length and N is 6 length. So, that is why this is, there is no solution. So, now another problem is given, post correspondence problem. Is there any solution in this problem? Is there any solution? Check it. So, find, is there any decision problem, corresponding solution? So, M is BB. So, you can say this is x1, I am writing direct, this one M is B, M is x1, suppose this is x1, x2, x3, and x1 is BB, x2 is AB, and this is x3 is, and this is C, and y1 is in N is y1, y2, y3. So, y1 is BB, and this is y2 is AB, and this is y3 is C. Here input alphabet is A, B, comma C, A, B, C, A, B and C. So, now is there any solution? If you will say that, is there any solution? Yes, is there any solution? I think this is we got here. So, no, this is BB, AB, SC, BB, AB, SC, and this is not B, we write wrong, this is B and BA, B, BA and BC, BA, BC, BC. So, what would be the solution? What would be the solution? So, if you will take here 1, 2, 3, it is a solution. You check it 1, 2, 3, take a sequence 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 as a sequence, 1, 2, x3 1 2 3 as a sequence, then x1 x2 x3, this is y1 y2 y3 y1 y2 y3. So, stacked here this is bb and abc and y1 is b and bb abc and both are equal. Yes, it is a decision, it is a decision. So, this post correspondence problem has a decision solution, decision. So, you can say this is a decision problem. So, now we have, so like that you have to check it the post correspondence problem. So, now introduction to recursive function theory. A function is called primitive recursive, it can be obtained by the initial, the function is finite number of application is composite recursion. So, here let h is a x1 x2 and there h is the function which is composite of g1 g2 like gk functions. So, this is a primitive function you can say. So, this primitive recursive function, what is the versus of computable function. So, computable function already we know, the every primitive recursion function is computable. So, computable function are any program p and positive integer m, then p represent a value of function computed by a program p on input x1 xn. So, this is called given a partial function and g is said to be partially computable. So, this partially means computable means this is a undecidable problem, partially computation means this is a undecidable problem. So, which create problem in halting, that is the partially decidable, you can say these primitive functions. So, some questions are here. One question is given, post correspondence problem is, what is that? Post correspondence problem. So, is it a undecidable, is it a decidable decision problem, undecidable decision problem, not a decision problem, none of the mention. So, already we have seen that which problem is undecidable. For that we have to find a post correspondence problem to make it decision, make a decision. That is why this option is, we can say this is a undecidable problem decision, undecidable decision problem. This one is the answer, undecidable decision problem. For undecidable problem we have to check post correspondence problem and for a decision, undecidable decision problem. So, now another question is there, find whether the list m a b a b c and n is which sequence have a post correspondence solution. So, this is I think very easy questions. So, you can check it how this is you, if you know that, otherwise you can this is an hit and trial basis. So, you can check one by one. Suppose one sequence is there, already we know this one is x1, this one is x2 and this one is x3 and this is y1 and y2 y3. So, now we have the solution 1 2 3 3, 1 2 sequence is 1 2 3 3. So, let us check, 1 is bb, 2 is ab and this is cc. Okay. So, now another thing, this is x part, this is x part, this is m, this is, then for n you check it, this is y means this one is the x1 x2 x3 x3 and this is y1 y2 y3 y3. Take this string. So, what will be there, the string? So, y1 is b, y2 is b a and bc bc. So, this is not a solution. So, option A is wrong, option A is wrong. So, let us check option B, either it is right or wrong, you can check it. So, you can take a sequence here, option B sequence is saying that x1, x1, x2, and x3, x1, x2, x3, and this part will be y1, y1, y2, y3, y1, y1, y3, y3. So, now you check this x1 is bb, bb, and x2 is ab, and x3 is c. So, y1 is b, b, and y2 is b a, y3 is b c. So, you check it, there is no solution here, is the this string is not equal. So, we will check the one, this one also wrong, and you check here this one x1 in c part, this is, and this is, now we have to check x1, x2, 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 x3. So, this one is y1, y2, 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 y3. So, now you check it, and this one is x1 is x1 is here bb, and ab, 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 and this is c. Now, y1 is b, and ba, 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 then bc. Now, you see this is equal string, you got the equal string. So, option C is the right answer, C is the right answer. So, you can have say this post correspondence, this undecidable problem is a decision. So, this is the regarding about the post correspondence problem. So, these are the reference book, and this is the last topic of this theory of automata and formal language. At the end, we cover this undecidable language and how this post correspondence problem has a decision like that. See this post undecidable decision problem, this how this one. So, we already check it. So, these are reference book, and thank you so much.